Okay, this is Becky Riceware using a Singer 660A1 industrial with a clutch motor. It's a straight stitch sewing machine. And what I'm trying to show here is how factory workers sew yards and yards of perfect ruffles quickly and easily. They use these folders. This one is on a swing away setup so that when you get to a seam, you don't try to put that through here, because the seam, particularly the serge seam, will get stuck in here and can damage the folder, but it could also damage your product. But I want to show a couple things here. I want to show what happens when you use this. It's important to, this is a 3/16 rolled hammer, and I'm using it with a binder foot. And you can actually move this all the way up to the foot and next to it, but I'm fine with using it this way. I like it this way just fine. But anyway, so basically, when your job as the person feeding it is to make sure that you keep that cone filled over to the side with the edge of the piece of fabric that you want hemmed. And basically, as long as you do that, it will go ahead and sew perfect hem. Like that. See, nice perfect 3/16 hem. Very fast, very easy. And I like to do this on a lot of stuff. Now, for a second there, I did not keep it filled all the way. I'm lucky that I actually went ahead and made a perfect hem anyway, because that can actually make it sew it flat instead of actually making the curl away. But right here, I need to pull it out of here and do this part by hand, because we don't want to jam the, we don't want to break the folder. So we just feed that part in by hand. And you can move the swing away. You can actually swing this away out of the way to be able to have more room to do this part, and then just sew over it. I'm going to need to do two hands with it. I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time, I don't think. I will attempt it for you, but we'll see it. I don't expect perfection with this. Okay, and then if I can get my needle back down in my fabric. There. Okay, I don't know if I can do this with my left hand, but I will try. Okay. Once you've gone over and hemmed the actual serged seam or sewn seam, because it's too bulky to put it through the folder with the seam. See if I managed to do this. I didn't do it perfect, but I made it thicker, quite a bit wider at the seam there, trying to do it one-handed. I'm not great at one-handed stuff, particularly because I'm not left-handed. But there we go. We can get this back up here and get back to the correct stuff. You can see that one I didn't do as good because I am doing it. I was doing it one-handed, which is not the best way to do it. But anyway, so that's your rolled hammer, the 3/16 size binder on, again, a Singer 660A1 or any straight stitch industrial sewing machine. Becky Riceware. Bye-bye.